Welcome to Option Strategies Insider, a site that allows you to track the personal option trades of a retired Goldman Sachs lead market maker who switched sides to become a dominant home trader. Want to see our trading secrets and how we make consistent profits trading options? This website will allow you to see our exact trades along with our thoughts regarding each trade. Members get real-time trade notifications via text, Twitter, or email, alerting them when a new trade has been posted. Members will also get the option resource section so they can learn and understand the different option trading strategies. OptionStrategiesInsider.com concentrates mainly on option trades, whereby selling premium with defined limited risk. These include credit spreads, iron condors, butterfly spreads, covered calls, horizontal spreads. This type of trading has a high success rate and doesn't require constant attention. Best of all, these trading strategies are permitted in most retirement accounts. Is this membership right for you? Maybe. Are you looking to make consistent profits that beat average market returns? Are you looking to get a better understanding of options and profit while you learn? Are you looking to make more money with less capital? Are you looking to make money no matter which way the market moves? Are you looking for another avenue to diversify your portfolio? The fact is, if you wish to make the best returns in today's market, you have to learn how to trade options. Equity options today are hailed as one of the most successful financial products to be introduced in modern times. OptionStrategiesInsider.com prides itself on its success. Most members make 10 times their membership fee monthly. However, if you are unhappy for any reason, you may cancel at any time. We have a 30-day guarantee period. Just email us for a refund. This site could significantly increase your rate of return in a big way if you sign up today.